Here are my 4 favorite features about the new Canon 1DX Mark III. The third one, that's by far the biggest one. Now, if you want to see the full spec feature list and everything new that's in the Canon 1DX Mark III, check out the video on that. But this is the quickie. This is the rundown of all of my personal favorite features that I have found have improved my workflow and my client experience and really just how I shoot. Before we jump into this, make sure that you download my free posing inspiration guide. We could all use some inspiration. Get that in the link below with lots of ideas on how to pose groups and individuals. Okay, I can do this. So number 1 is the clarity slider. The clarity slider lets you adjust the clarity of the image right in camera. This has been helpful for me because it makes my same-day edit process faster. No longer do I have to put my photos onto my laptop to edit them for clarity and a few other little tweaks. I'm comfortable just setting a picture profile that's going to create JPEGs that have the look and feel that I want and lower the clarity so that my client's skin is nice and smooth and just good enough for a same-day edit. Then with the built-in Wi-Fi features, which is, by the way, my number 2 favorite feature, I can just transfer those JPEGs right from my camera to my phone and onto the iPad display that I'm showing the same day edit.
Why would you go to your phone first and then to the iPad?
That's how you get it off your camera.
Oh, you can't just go right to the iPad?
Oh shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, you could. I didn't even think about that. You could download the Canon Camera Connect iPad right to the app and then skip the whole phone part. I always just think of the phone because I want my pictures on my phone anyway with the same day edit because I'm sending all the vendors different images from the day of, the night of. So yeah, but yeah, you can go straight to your iPad. Number 3 favorite feature of this lovely, lovely camera is probably the most improved thing. And this is my favorite feature by far. This is the improved autofocusing. You have face detection and head detection when using the viewfinder, but because this camera is sort of a hybrid between shooting mirrorless and shooting DSLR, the live view actually has eye detection plus the face and head detection. And I've really found myself shooting in live view very often and having that almost mirrorless type experience with a camera. That's really a DSLR. I found myself shooting in live view so much because I have that sort of mirrorless experience shooting with a DSLR and have that improved autofocus capability. It's my favorite feature because it's made so many more of my photos in focus because it's just better at focusing, but it's also better at tracking. So I can move more with my clients and have them move and catch them in moments without having to worry so much about the focus. Even if they're spinning around, like I'm having the groom spin the bride around and you know, the eye detection goes away, but the head detection is still there. So it's tracking the back of the person's head as they're turning around and you're not losing focus at any time. And the 4th favorite feature of the new Canon 1DX Mark III is the LCD screen on the back. There are a lot of different applications why I like the LCD screen and how it's improved what I'm shooting. The first application is just having touchscreen and just being able to go through the menu and find what I want. The second application is being able to touch focus when I'm shooting in live view. And the third application is just having it be more of that mirrorless camera feel. The improved LCD screen, it's not just about the screen itself, it's now more of a functioning part of taking photos. So the improved LCD screen is actually being applied to different parts of my photography. That's enhancing it and absolutely making it my 4th favorite feature. Hey, if you're here, why don't you stick around and hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. I've got a lot of new content coming out, and please ask me some questions in the comments below. I do my best to answer every single one of them and give you whatever information that I have.